Hi guys, this is Teacher Grace, and for this video, we are going to make the certification for class takeover. Let's start. So this certification is needed in the following scenario. So here are the parts of the certification, the official header and footer of the school. Next one is the body of our certification. So we have here to whom it may concern. This is to certify that. So you add here the teacher's full name of school has officially resigned from his position. So this is for the resignation. So, ilalagay din dito kailan yung final working day niya. Now, for those maternity leave or just having the leave of absence, you can write here the first day of the leave and then the reinstatement date. So, to ensure a seamless transition and continuity in the academic schedule, the following arrangements have been made. Meron po tayong apat na column. So, we have the time, the subject handled, the grade and section handled, at yung name ng relieving teacher. Then, this certification is issued for documentation purposes and to inform all concerned parties of the changes in the teaching staff and class schedule following kung sino po yung nag-resign or sino po yung nag-take ng leave of absence. So lastly, issued this blank day of the month 2024 or what year it will be. The final part is the assignatory. So, sino nga ba ang pwedeng mag-authorize ng certification na ito? Pwede si school principal or vice principal, school registrar, HR officers, or the department head of the specific subject. So, kung si principal po yung nag-authorize, no need for any other. Pero kung iba po yung nag-authorize, example, department head or the HR or the registrar, you are going to write prepared by, tapos yung position, and then noted by no principal. So that's it. Since you have stayed until the end of the video, I have written out the link of the sample so you can download it and edit. I hope that this video was able to help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.